Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I use my wire stripper. I got this thing for like 30 bucks online. But first, my little trick, I want to get it started right here at the end. And it's just easier to do it this way, just like that. And then I've already got it set to where I want it. I'm sticking this little hole back here. But the trick is to not cut it too deep. Don't cut it too deep because then it'll make a mess. Now I want to get my copper out of here nice, solid, one piece. And if you cut too deep, it's going to cut into the wires or into that, copper, and it's just going to get everywhere. And you're going to be stepping on it. It's not fun. So check this out. This way, now we got it started, right? And then just grab a hold of it. I want all of it. Hold it, please. It'll all come out in one big thing if I do it right. Yes. See that? See how it's all solid? Yes. I'll tell you, when I first started doing this, I cut it too deep, and then I stepped on a piece of it, and man, that hurt. If you got kids, that's super not cool to have a bunch of shrapnel laying around. There you go. One solid piece, no mess. Oh, I love it. See? And I didn't even have to wear gloves. Bonus.